Thank you, sir, for welcoming me at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, East Godavari East. Many times students ask me, sir, why have you come to our JNV? आपका आने का उद्देश्य क्या है? ऐसा पूछते हैं बच्चे. So I tell them, I consider all Navodayans as my own family people. So I have come here to see you first and then serve you in small way, whatever possible. I feel happy to be amongst you today afternoon here. Do you feel happy to see me? Thank you, as your elder brother from Navodaya. I passed out from Navodaya school 26 years ago. How long? 26 years ago, 1998. But the bond which happened that time in Navodaya school is so strong that bond is pulling me back to the Navodaya schools. Not just my home school, but all the Navodaya schools of whole country. Because the love, the affection, the care, the guidance we got from teachers in Navodaya was exceptional. We say exceptional. We cannot get such type of teachers outside Navodaya schools. I did not get such teachers before Navodaya school and after Navodaya schools. 26 years later also, those teachers remember me and I also remember them. Why? Because I told you, the bond is so loving and so strong that lifetime that cannot be broken. So I request you all, boys mainly, keep your mind peaceful. Try to listen. Because I have come from long distance, only for short time. So please pay attention so that I can serve you nicely. We will sing a small prayer so that your mind becomes refreshed. सब लोग ऐसे झुक गए हैं, सब लोग ऐसे don't bend, sit straight, सावधान, जैसे alert. School सावधान, morning time, school सावधान. So be alert and try to listen. See, all knowledge, all studies will be effective if you can listen attentively. यदि हम सुन पाएंगे अच्छे से तो आपको ज्ञान अच्छे से होगा, आपका पढ़ाई अच्छा होगा. तो we'll sing a small prayer, okay? Join the hands to your chest. To calm our mind, ना अपने मन को शांत करने के लिए हम छोटा सा प्रेयर प्रार्थना बोलेंगे. It's a famous Hindi prayer, you know it. I will sing one line, you can repeat behind me. Close the eyes. Silence for some time. इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता. सिंग. इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता. मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना. कर भी कोई भूल हो ना, दूर ज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, दूर ज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे, हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे, बैठो ना किसी का किसी से, बैठो ना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की हो ना, भावना मन में बदले की हो ना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देन दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना, भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना, हम ना सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ना सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण, फूल खुशियों के बांटे सभी को, फूल खुशियों के बांटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन, अपनी करुणा का जल तो बहा के, अपनी करुणा का जल तो बहा के, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देन दाता, इतनी शक्ति हमें देन दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना, भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना, भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना। So we are asking the Lord to give us empowerment. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता कि भगवान हमें शक्ति दीजिए, हमें बुद्धि दीजिए, हमें अच्छा ज्ञान दीजिए, हमें अच्छा समझ दीजिए, अंडरस्टैंडिंग दीजिए कि हमें अपना जीवन कैसे महान बनाना है, हमें अपना जीवन कैसे महान बनाना है, अच्छा बनाना है. See, simply by physics, simply by chemistry, simply by mathematics, our life will not be great. Our life will be great if we know, along with your academics, you know the purpose of life, the goal of life. You may say, sir, I know goal of life, to become engineer, to become doctor, to earn money. No, these are short-term goals. Two goals are there, short-term and then ultimate goal. The main goal, the most important goal of life. You see, there are so many people who are no engineers, who are no doctors, not professionals, but they are doing well in their life. They are doing good in their life. They are serving the society. They are benefiting the others. That's why Navodaya Samiti has given the simple guideline from the beginning that the purpose of our coming to school is learning. That's why you see many places on the gate mention, come to learn. That enter to learn, come to learn, they say that. Girls, please pay attention. Also boys, please pay attention. Yes, please. आपको सिंपल काम दिया है, आपको बहुत सिंपल काम दिया है. यू हैव बीन गिवन सिंपल जॉब. व्हाट? पीसफुली सिट एंड लिसन. You will get countless benefits. You will get lifetime benefits if you can simply pay attention to my words. I have given up all my other engagements, all other things, just to spread this knowledge. Why? This is the most important knowledge for human life. I was teaching mechanical science in engineering college for 8 years before joining ISKCON society in Mumbai. But then I came to know, I understood that simply by teaching mechanical science, the society will not be happy. It's a part of life to teach some physics, some chemistry, some mathematics, some mechanical science, some technical science, some medical science. But the most important element is teaching life science. Because without life science, our life cannot be better. Cannot be better. You see, nowadays engineers, doctors, professionals also become, not all, but many become victims of addictions, bad habits. We can see in the society that many professionals, so-called educated people also become victims of intoxication, addictions, bad habits. They also become victims of many times greed. So they become victims of corruption. Many people, you see, they are caught up in the corruption. Why? Their hearts are not satisfied with all the wealth, all the payment they get in their salary. Their greed is not satisfied. They want more money. Which science, which physics, which chemistry will help to satisfy our greed of the heart, of mind, you may say mind. In society, big problems: काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, मद, मत्सर. In English, lust, anger, greed, illusion, envy, and pride, false pride, मिथ्या अहंकार, बड़ी समस्या है. Six problems of society. You understand? काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, मद, मत्सर. English, lust, anger, greed, then illusion, pride, false pride, and envy. Envy is a big problem. People are unhappy because of envy. Many people, even families also. You see in families also, the brothers are envious of each other. Family members are envious of each other. ऐसा होता है. क्यों? They don't know the higher values of life. Their understanding about life is simply about body, physical body. See, last boys, please pay attention. Listen. See, Navodaya Samiti says, come to learn. So for good education, for good knowledge, the first thing we should listen, we should learn is to listen attentively. We should be able to listen attentively. We should learn to keep our mind peaceful, focused in one place. Simple thing. If you make a habit to keep your mind focused, to listen, not speaking anything, make a habit that when you sit in class, when you sit in assembly, some talk, don't speak. Make a habit. Make the sankalpa. Make the resolution. I won't speak a single word when somebody is speaking. It's a good habit, very important. Simply by our one small action, we can gain a lot. We can gain a lot, or we can lose a lot. If the action is not proper, if our action is not proper, we lose a lot. And if our action is proper, we can gain a lot. See, the society will not see your marks, will not ask your marks, your percentage outside. They will judge you, they will make your value based on your behavior. Based on your behavior. How you behave with each other, how you conduct outside in practical world, how you sit, how you walk, how you talk, how you listen. So they will see your actions. They will see your actions and make the value for you. आपका कितना कीमत है, आपका कितना वैल्यू है, केवल आपके एकेडमिक्स से नहीं होगा, आपके परसेंटेज से नहीं होगा. मैथ्स में कितना मार्क्स है, केमिस्ट्री में कितना है. इट्स अ स्मॉल थिंग. इट्स अ स्मॉल थिंग. Because examinations are not the only way to judge you. It's a small part. Because that exam is taken only one time, only for 3 hours. If that day your health is not good, if that day your mind is disturbed, then you cannot write exam properly. So you get less marks. That doesn't mean you don't have knowledge of this subject. So simple one paper for 3 hours cannot judge anybody. Please know it. Our judgment is done by our behavior, our knowledge, our understanding, which is lifelong. Examination is only for short time. So don't judge anybody simply by their marks. Don't judge anybody simply by percentage. Don't judge anybody simply by position in some contest. Because the result is always fluctuating and changing. Marks change many times. If the same answer sheet is checked by 5 people, 5 teachers, your marks will be different. Same answer sheet, if checked by 5 teachers, your marks will be different. That is the Fact. Anyway, so my point is that, yes please, are you with me? Last voice, are you with me? Can you listen me? आपको आवाज़ आती है लास्ट बच्चों को? आप सुनते हो? Girls this side, can you listen me? Understanding my point? So please, we have short time. I won't take much time, but whatever time we have, we will make the best use of the time. So Navodaya Samiti has given guideline. Come to learn. What to learn? Some students learn bad things also. सर आपने बताया कम टू लर्न, हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. Giving bad words to some others, behaving wrongly, not respecting others, not giving the help to others. No. When point comes to learn, we should use our intelligence. सबका दिमाग है, बुद्धि है ना, तो हमें अपना दिमाग उपयोग करना है, लगाना है कि हमें अच्छा सीखना है. क्या सीखना है? अच्छा सीखना है. We have to learn good things, the best things. Then we have hobbies here, skills. Music is there, arts is there, music, arts, and then sports also there, along with other skills which you can develop here. So when it comes to learning, we have to be eager. We have to be eager to learn. You have to consult your teachers for guidance. Sir, please, madam, please guide us how to cultivate our skills or hobbies. Boys, please pay attention. Wake up. Don't sleep. Wake up. Pay attention. So when you have the purpose to learn, your mind will be happy, your mind will be peaceful. Don't focus on the result, how much marks you will get, how much percentage you will get, what position you will get. Don't think about the things. You focus on your learning. We should focus on our learning, our endeavors, our efforts, and that endeavor, that efforts will give you joy. It's my personal experience. That when you want to learn something, your mind will be happy. You will forget outside world in learning. You can be absorbed. That's why Bhagavad Gita, if you know, gives us guideline in second chapter how to do our duty. Please chant behind me, sing behind me. Karmaneva adhikaraste मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भूर् मा ते संगस्तु अकर्मणि. Once again, कर्मण्येव अधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भूर् मा ते संगस्तु अकर्मणि. So this sloka, which is number 47 of the second chapter of Bhagavad Gita, is telling us, Lord Krishna is telling us that how to do our duties. So he is saying, Karmani eva adhikaraste. You have the complete, full right, adhikar. For what? To do your duty. To do your duty best possible way. But you are not supposed to claim on the result. You cannot claim to Madam Principal Sir, VP Sir, Sir, I have studied, I have done 10 hours studies daily basis, so I must get, you must give me 95 marks in subject. You cannot claim the result, the output. You have the right to do your best possible endeavor as a duty. But don't claim, don't expect the percentage, marks, result, fruits, फल की कामना मत कीजिए. Definitely you will get the result as per your work, as per your endeavor. अवश्य आपको आपने जैसा कर्म किया होगा वैसा फल मिलता है, अवश्य मिलता है. वैसे जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. हम जैसा कर्म करते हैं हमें वैसा फल अवश्य मिलता है, लेकिन हमें अपेक्षा नहीं करना है. क्योंकि क्या होता है, व्हाट हैपन्स व्हेन यू expect some marks, some position, some awards, some trophy, and if you don't get, you feel so unhappy, you feel so sad, you feel so discouraged, demotivated, and you lose the joy of participation. You lose the joy because your focus was on the trophy only, not on the endeavor, not on the participation. Believe me, if you can simply focus on your endeavor, your duty, then you will be happy. You see the soldiers on the border, they are having tough time, they are having difficult job, but because they have the sense of duty, they have the sense of duty for the nation, they feel happy, they feel inspired. Why? They keep the higher sense of duty for the nation. They don't simply accept money, payment. They keep the higher sense of duty. And that sense of duty gives them motivation, inspiration, joy to serve the nation. In the same way, if we can focus on our endeavor, our learning, study as a duty, without expecting result, you will be happy now. You will be happy now and then all time. Your happiness will not depend on the marks. Don't keep your happiness depending on the marks, depending on the percentage, depending on the position. Never. Why? Because that is always uncertain. वो क्या होता है? अनिश्चित होता है. अनिश्चित. हमें वो मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, कब मिलेगा पता नहीं. लेकिन यदि हम अपनी पढ़ाई में मन लगाते हैं, अपने जो ड्यूटीज़ है वहाँ मन लगाते हैं, अपना जो प्रयास है सीखने में वहाँ मन लगाते हैं, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? सुख मिलेगा, आपको आनंद मिलेगा. कभी अभी द सेम मोमेंट, immediately you can get all the joy, you can be happy all time. So that's my personal experience, that when you focus on the learning, then you will be happy. Okay, second point. Samiti has given guideline. Come to learn. Someone may ask, so why to learn? What is the purpose of learning? So someone may say that I want to earn a lot of money. मुझे पैसा कमाना है, मुझे बड़ा नाम कमाना है, मुझे बड़ा पद कमाना लेना है. Samiti says that's not the highest motivation. The highest motivation is go to serve. See, earning will happen when you want to serve. हमें सेवा का भाव चाहिए. We should have the mood to serve, because that is the highest. In the morning you take pledge. What is the pledge in the morning you take? India is my all Indians are my. It's a big thing, it's a big thing. We are taking pledge that all are my brothers, and if you think about this, how to follow, how to practice that pledge. And then next line, I love my. What is the meaning of loving the country? The meaning is you are expected to serve. You are expected to serve the country by your knowledge, by your duties, by your actions, contribution. See, in Navodaya school, we get so much from society, from teachers, from the nation, country. We get all things, clothing, food, all the facilities we get in Navodaya school. So we should be grateful. We should be thankful. Yes, I have been given so much simply by passing one paper, one examination, JNV ST, selection test. 6th class. I have been given, I have got so much from Navodaya, from the society. So when you have that understanding, I have been given so much, I need to do something. I need to do something for society. You become teacher, you become engineer, you become doctor, you become IAS officer, anything you become, no problem. As per your capacity, as per your nature, as per your liking, you become anything, no problem. But we all can have one common mood. What is that mood? To serve. To serve the nation, to serve the society. Why? Because that mood will give you self-satisfaction. Self-satisfaction. Because our nature is to serve. That's why we say, सबका मालिक. क्या बोलते हैं सबका मालिक? वो भगवान है जिन्होंने हमें जीवन दिया है. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता. वो दाता कौन है? भगवान है, जिन्होंने हमें जीवन दिया है. और जीवन के साथ साथ जो भी आवश्यक है जीवन के लिए, हवा, पानी, अन्न, बुद्धि, शक्ति, सब कुछ दिया है. अपना जो भोजन है, अपना जो पानी है, कोई कंपनी नहीं देती है. अपना जीवन आवश्यक जो चीज़ें हैं वो भगवान ने दिया है. तो हमें ये समझना चाहिए कि अपना जीवन जो है भगवान की वजह से है. दुनिया जो है भगवान की वजह से. हाँ, भगवान दिखते नहीं होंगे आँखों से, वो कहाँ है भगवान. लेकिन यदि हमें थोड़ा बुद्धि है तो हम समझ सकते हैं दुनिया जो बना है इतना सुंदर कोई तो बनाया होगा. दुनिया जो चलता है इतना अच्छे से कोई तो चलाता होगा. यू सी वन सन. व्हाट इज सन? सूर्य. सूर्य. So powerful. So much power is there. So much energy. So much power is there. One sun. That one sun you cannot see even for 1 minute. Even this light we cannot see for 1 minute. And you want to see the Supreme Lord. हम एक लाइट को देख नहीं सकते और चाहते हैं भगवान को देखना चाहते हैं. भगवान को देखना इतना आसान नहीं है. हाँ, हम भगवान को देख सकते हैं. हम भगवान को देख सकते हैं आँखों से यदि हम में श्रद्धा होगी तो. यदि हमें श्रद्धा है, हम में विश्वास है, हम में भगवान के लिए प्रेम है, आँखों से भी देख सकते हैं. यू सी, वी हैव तिरुपति बालाजी है. Lord Venkateshwar, Govinda, he is there. We have Lord Vitthal in Pandharpur. Then we have Udupi Krishna in Karnataka. We have Swami Padmanabh in which place? Thiruvananthapuram, Padmanabh Swami. Then Swami Ranganath Swami in Srirangam. So Lord is there, we can see, but we have no faith. We think, oh, this is only stone, this is only wood, Lord Jagannath, Nudisa. Anyway, the point is that if we can have small faith, even little faith in God, that faith will give you strength. वो श्रद्धा आपको क्या देगा? ताकत देगा, स्ट्रेंथ देगा। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमज़ोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। हमने अनुभव किया है, वी हैव एक्सपीरियंस, नॉट जस्ट मी, देयर आर मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल हु हैव एक्सपीरियंस गॉड्स ब्लेसिंग, गॉड्स पावर इन देयर लाइफ। सो वी हैव टू हैव सम फेथ that God is there with us. See, many times students feel tension, fear, we feel anxiety, चिंता लगता है। Don't have anxiety, don't fear, don't feel tension, knowing that God is there. God is there to help us. God is there to support us, to bless us. God is there to maintain us. You do your duty, you do your work, you do your study happily as a service. तो हमने जो कहा सबका मालिक, तो भगवान कौन है? सबके स्वामी हैं, मालिक है। तो हम कौन होते हैं? सेवक। क्योंकि मालिक तो एक ही है, मालिक का तो वैकेंसी नहीं है, सबका मालिक तो एक ही भगवान है। इसलिए हम कौन होते हैं? सेवक। जैसे हनुमान जी हैं, हनुमान जी, देन लॉर्ड गणेश जी, देन लॉर्ड शिवा, लॉर्ड ब्रह्मा, लॉर्ड इंद्र, लॉर्ड वायु, लॉर्ड सन, सूर्य, ऑल दीज आर द लविंग सर्वेंट्स ऑफ गॉड। जो सबके स्वामी है भगवान, उनके हम सेवक हैं। इसलिए हमें अपना जो जीवन है एक सेवा समझ के जीना है। वी हैव टू लिव अवर लाइफ एज अ सर्विस टू गॉड, बिकॉज दिस लाइफ इज गिवन टू अस बाय दैट गॉड। अल्टीमेटली ही इज़ द गिवर, नॉट जस्ट गिवर, ही इज़ द मेंटेनर ऑल्सो। गॉड इज़ द मेंटेनर ऑफ अवर लाइफ, our intelligence, our whole universe, God is maintaining. So last point, that if we can have that small faith also will empower us a lot. I speak about life science, that of physical body is there. Physical body is always changing. Do you feel that body changing all time? From the day one of your life, the day you born, body has been changing in size, in shape, form. You can see your first birthday photo and you can see your latest photo and compare two bodies. Body has changed. But do you feel that as a person, as an individual, you have changed? You don't change. Body changes, but you don't change. Your mother, your father will say, oh, he's our child, she's our daughter, he's our son. Why? With the change of body, all time, the person in the body is not changing. What about mind? Mind is so restless, mind is so fickle, that mind is always changing. Thoughts, desires, feelings, mind changes. So we are not also the mind. हम मन भी नहीं है, जो चंचल मन है, जो अशांत मन है। बुद्धि भी हम नहीं है, जो बुद्धि कभी चलती है, कभी नहीं चलती है। Our intelligence sometimes functions, sometimes doesn't function. But we are something which is unchanging in the changing body, changing mind, in the changing world. दुनिया भी बदलता है, seasons change, the situation of the world changes, but one thing unchanging in the world, in our system, is that our real self. हम जो है वो न बदलने वाले हैं. लास्ट पॉइंट ना, लास्ट 2 minutes, प्लीज पे अटेंशन. आई एम एंडिंग नाउ. लास्ट 2 minutes, पे अटेंशन. The most important point I am speaking now. If you know that, then you will have self-confidence, you will have self-control, you will have sense control, sense control you will have, mind control you will have focus, intelligence, you will have satisfied heart. आपकी आत्मा जो है संतुष्ट होगी, आत्मा समाधान मिलेगा आपको. You will have self-satisfaction. So please pay attention for 2 minutes, last 2 minutes. To know what is our life, please pay attention. We think body means life means body only. No, body is like a vehicle. Body is like a vehicle. Senses are like the wheels. Mind is the brake. Mind is the brake to be applied on the senses. And who will apply the brake of mind? Intelligence. क्या देखना है, क्या नहीं देखना है, क्या खाना है, क्या नहीं खाना है, क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है. ऑल थिंग, व्हाट टू डू, व्हाट नॉट टू. ये जो ब्रेक है, ब्रेक कौन लगाएगा? मन नहीं, बुद्धि लगाता है. क्यों? बुद्धि का काम क्या है? विवेक, है ना, टू डिस्क्रिमिनेट बिटवीन गुड एंड बैड. ये बुद्धि का काम है, सही गलत में फर्क करना, और जो सही है उसको लेना, जो गलत है उसको छोड़ना. टू गिव अप द बैड थिंग्स. So driver applies the brake. So intelligence is our driver. I am giving you example to make you understand life science. Life is a journey. Life is a journey. In journey, you need a vehicle. Our body is a vehicle. Our senses are like the wheels of the vehicle. Senses. We have 5 senses: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are 5 knowledge acquiring senses, and 5 are working senses: hand, legs, speech. So senses are like the wheels. Mind is like the brake. Mind is known as king of the senses. Mind is known as king of the senses. So mind applies the brake. Means mind is a brake to be applied on the senses. Intelligence is the driver who will apply the brake of the mind on the senses. क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, क्या अच्छा है, क्या बुरा. Last point. Who are we in the journey of life? Body is a vehicle. Body is to be used for our journey. We should know what is the destination. What is the destination? कहाँ जाना है. ये कब समझ में आएगा? जब हम जानेंगे हम कहाँ से आए हैं. From which place we have come? Where from we have come? Today people don't know. हम दुनिया में कहाँ से आए लोग जानते नहीं हैं, तो इसलिए उनको पता नहीं है कि बाद में हमको कहाँ जाना है. पीपल डोंट नो. दे थिंक खाओ पियो मजा करो बस. डोंट थिंक. नो. इफ यू वांट टू नो, आंसर इज देयर. सो वी आर द पैसेंजर. वी आर द पैसेंजर इन द व्हीकल, इन द जर्नी ऑफ लाइफ. तो हमें पता होना चाहिए हम कहाँ से निकले हैं और कहाँ जाना है. ऑल आवर होली बुक्स, it may Bhagavad Gita, it may Bible, it may Quran, Granth Sahib, all the holy books inform us that we have come to this world from the God's kingdom. हम भगवान के धाम से आए हैं दुनिया में, क्योंकि हम ये बॉडी नहीं है, ये मन नहीं है जो थोड़े समय का है. हम भगवान के दिव्य सनातन अंश है. हम जीवात्मा हैं. हम कौन हैं? जीवात्मा, जीव. हम सोल है, डिवाइन सोल, जीवात्मा, हु इज़ डेथलेस. Soul is deathless. See, we all want to live for all time. Nobody wants to die. Nobody wants to become old. Why? The soul never becomes old. Soul never dies. That's why our nature, our real self is divine, spiritual, which is deathless, eternal, immortal. So when you know your higher nature, higher real self, you will have higher intelligence, you will have higher pleasure of the soul. Body pleasure is momentary, कुछ पलों का होता है body pleasure. Our sense pleasure is only few moments, but the soul pleasure, आत्मा का जो सुख होता है वो अनंत होता है. अनंत क्यों? आत्मा कैसा है? अविनाशी है. आत्मा कैसा है? अविनाशी. बॉडी इज पेरिशेबल, डिस्ट्रक्टिबल, बट सोल इज इंडिस्ट्रक्टिबल. तो यही बोलना है हमें, यदि हमें जानेंगे, इफ़ वी नो, इफ़ वी लर्न दैट आवर लाइफ इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ गॉड. हम भगवान के संतान हैं. जो बोलते हैं ना अपनी नवोदय प्रेयर्स में, रंग जाति भेद, क्या बोलते हैं? बोलो. रंग जाति रहित हम सबका एक भगवान हो. यस, हम ही नवोदय हो. let us be the new beginning. Let us be the new beginning. नवोदय, न्यू बिगिनिंग, न्यू राइजिंग. तो बच्चों हमें ये बोलना है, ध्यान दीजिए, अंतिम बात, लास्ट पॉइंट. देन इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन वी कैन टेक. अपना जो संबंध है आमदार, एमएलए, एमपी, बिजनेसमैन से नहीं है. अपना संबंध शाश्वत, नित्य, ऑल टाइम भगवान से है. यदि हम जानेंगे तो हमें शक्ति, बुद्धि, ज्ञान, जो भगवान का संपत्ति है, भगवान का शक्ति है, वो आपका बन जाएगा. क्यों? आप भगवान के हो. जो बोलते हैं ना, वसुदैव कुटुंबकम, पूरा दुनिया अपना क्या है? फैमिली है. कैसा बनेगा? जब तक हम भगवान से जुड़ते नहीं हैं, अपना नहीं बनेगा. जब हम भगवान को अपना मानते हैं तो भगवान का दुनिया अपना बन जाता है. यू अंडरस्टैंड? भगवान से संबंध जोड़ने से जो भी भगवान का है वो आपका बन जाएगा. So by knowing our relationship with God, you access all the blessings, all the powers, all the support from the Lord. Okay. So with this I end my talk. If you have any question, any doubt, 1-2 questions we can take. Could you understand something? आपको समझ में आया कुछ? क्या हमने क्या बताया? अपना जीवन जो है कितना महान है, वो सफल बनेगा यदि हम भगवान से अपना संबंध को जोड़ते हैं. तो आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. थैंक यू ऑल.
भूमिका के साथ आगे बढ़ाने के लिए संस्था द्वारा इस समय है बच्चों को जोड़ा. मुझे ये लगा कि जितना बोला गया है उसमें से ज़्यादा 50% भी अगर जैसे भगवान की पूजा होती है समाज में हमारी भी हम महात्मा गांधी और महावीर स्वामी जैसे लोग सिर्फ के काम क्या ये बताएगा कि इसी इसका सार क्या है. सबसे पहले कि तुम क्या हो सारे हमें काम कि तुम क्या सब लोग कहते हैं गौतम बुद्ध है ये उनको ज्ञान था। जब ज्ञान प्राप्त नहीं हुआ उससे पहले गौतम बुद्ध क्या ज्ञानी थे, महावीर स्वामी का ज्ञानी थे, क्या करना था। बात ये थी कि जो चीजें हमें आज अच्छी लगती हैं, जिन चीजों में हम अपना स्वाद देते हैं, ये चीजें हम क्या करते हैं। आज क्या करना चाहते हैं, समाज में आगे बढ़े, बहुत आगे बढ़े, लेकिन हमसे अगर हमारे नंबर 50 में 50 आते हैं तो हमारे नंबर के आने चाहिए 40 नहीं, 50 नहीं आने चाहिए, एक नंबर। ये जो भावना है ज्ञान आने के बाद ये चीज हो जाती है। उन्हें लगा है किसी को है तो कहाँ ये हमारे अंदर